Pandit Fakiri.
Satyababu, you are welcome to Om Shanti Ashram. Today we are inside of the Om Shanti Ashram. Tell
Why
me.
there is a male and female?
Well,
in
see,
every
male and
creature?
female combined together are perfect. That's why in Hindi words are Ardha Nareshwar, Ardha Nageshwar. Because even the Hindu mythology says that Mahadeva, Lord Shiva, is half only. So when Parvati is combined with her, they become complete. So the universal natural forces understand one man is zero, one man is fool, one man or woman is idiot. That's why nature made two. Two combined together, male, female, become perfect. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
That's why the progenation, that's why the generation, that's why the peace, that's why the cooperation. Because two combined together, they become stronger. You know? What is about laser beam? Laser beam is light stimulated emissions of the radiations. You know? Laser, L-A-S-E-R. See, that is stimulated emissions of the photons. So when a lot of coherent beams of photons are coming, they become most powerful. So nature wanted that man and women combined together, they will be very strong. That's why they created man and women, you know, my friend. So if somebody is fool, stays alone, male or female, they are weak people. They will have a lot of sorrow, suffering, grief and pain. Because life is full of thorns. It is not a bed of roses. So once a wise man and women, they are together, and the turbulent journey of life has a lot of hips and bumps and all these misery, sorrow, they combine together, they cooperate with each other and life becomes very easy and smooth. You understand? If you are alone, you have a lot of chances to take wrong decision and make a lot of accidents. But if you are two and that two are wise to combine together, like Ram and Sita, you see when Ram was banished by his father at the advice of Kekai, Sita told, no, you are only half. You are going to the forest, you will be in big trouble. Sita said, no, I must go with you. And Sita never left Ram. And then Lakshman said, no, two is not enough. If you want to live a smooth life, even in the most difficult situation like forest, a brother or somebody is required to protect you against dangers, against lions, tigers, because it is forest. So remember it. United we stand, divided we fall. Nature knows it very well. Laser beam is an example. Same attitude, same thought process. That's in the philosophy is called Mastermind Alliance Partnership. A company grows bigger and bigger where there is alliance forces. All think in the same frequency. Family is growing where all the children, all the parents, everyone thinks in the same positive frequency. Otherwise, if there is contradictions, you see the divorce, see the marriage breaks down, see the family breaks down, see the company breaks down, you know. So my friend, nature is very judicious, most intelligent. It has created not one human being, but lot of human beings. Somebody can be your brother, somebody can be your sister, somebody can be your wife, somebody can be your daughter. You understand? So the wisdom of a person is to tap the strength of the group. You understand? Whoever you are, wherever you are, whatever circumstances you may live, you can do anything in your whole life. I know a man, whole life he did masturbation, but he cannot produce a child. Bloody fool, son of the beach, madman, he violated nature. Nature was laughing. He was telling, I gave you vagina, I gave you penis. Unless you do reproductive system in the right way, which universal forces nature has made it, how can you produce a child? This is just an example, Sati. Same principle of natural law apply everywhere. Nobody can succeed in life without the cooperation, help and blessings of others. You need help, you need assistance, but rare. There are only few people who will help and support you. But a wife and husband must support each other because this is the greatest discovery of the nature, the greatest invention of the nature. Am I right or wrong? Tell me, sir.
Right.
You want to add some points on this?
No.
You have to add some. You are a doctor. Tell me. Why there are male and female? Answer the question. Why they are 50-50? Doctor can do any kind of manipulation. It can it can make the imbalance in the numbers of male and female.
No, nature has created, universe has created.
Till now there is no natural way that you can only produce male or you can only produce female. No, nature is making the balance.
Yes, nature is a mix.
Somebody have 2-3 sons, somebody have 2-3 daughters. So if you take the average, 50-50.
Yes.
So Sati Babu, that's why I tell you, the wise man never conflicts, never contradicts, never create quarrel, never allow negativity to come in the family, to come in the company. But fools are there now. Everywhere you see the family is breaking, the company is breaking. See the plane, air, this Airbus is breaking because they are not doing good. They are not coordinating properly. They are not sincere. They are not fearful and afraid. They take it for granted. You understand? The wise men have a lot of cushioning and a lot of shock absorbers. We should not look at the negativity of human beings because to us is human. Majority of the human beings are fools. So wise men always see the best of the past. Who said this? Tell me. My best friend taught you. You have taken his class. He is immersion. To laugh often much, to win the respect of the intelligent people, affection of children, to earn the appreciation of honest critic, and betrayals of false friend. Betrayals of false friend. सारा मादरचोद false friend. एंड मौके पर धोखा देने वाला मादरचोद false friend. धोखेबाज साले के औलाद, पहचानो उसको ठीक से. To earn the appreciation of honest critic and betrayals of false friend. To appreciate beauty, they find best in all. आशीष सारा दुबे false friend. आयुषी थी ना false friend. मेरा पूरा पैसा ले लिया, जमीन का बेचा हुआ पैसा. तो सती बाबू, इसीलिए कभी भी ब्रेक मत करो. ब्रेक करोगे तो तुम ब्रेक हो जाओगे, टुकड़े टुकड़े चित्रे चित्रे हो जाओगे. यूनाइट करो. एंड बॉटम लाइन, यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड, डिवाइडेड वी फॉल. We should learn from the natural law. You see, solar radiation, it is scattered, it is coming and falling everywhere in a very diverse form. But if you put a converging lens, the rays falling here, all the energy get focused at one point, it can burn anything. You know that?
Yes.
That is the power of concentration. That is the power of unity. That is the power of being together. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.